Printmaking is a way of making pictures by transferring ink or paint from one surface to another. In the commonest kind of printmaking, the surface used to do the printing has high and low places. When the surface is inked and pressed against another surface, only the raised areas leave a mark. This is called relief printmaking. For thousands of years, artists have used relief printmaking to make beautiful prints. And for hundreds of years, printers have used type, another form of relief. There are many forms of relief printmaking you can use. By exploring relief printmaking, you can discover new ways to create designs. There are four main types of relief prints. Press prints are made by objects that already have an interesting relief. Carved relief prints are made by carving a design into a surface. Raised relief prints are made by adding material to build up high areas. In a monoprint, the relief is made in the ink or paint itself. Many objects which we can find around our homes or schools already have surfaces with high and low areas. We can print with objects like these. Even our fingers can be used to make prints. Press printing allows us to repeat a design many times. We can add details to a print with pen, pencil, or brush. Many different objects can be used for press printing, and each object leaves its own special mark. When we have discovered many different marks, we can use our imagination to combine them. Don't forget to look for relief inside things. Many surprising relief surfaces lie hidden inside ordinary vegetables and fruits. Some may be used for press prints, while others, such as a potato, have surfaces which are suitable for a second technique, carved relief printing. High and low areas are made by carving directly into the surface. Prints from potatoes can be repeated many times to make interesting designs. Other materials can be cut or carved to make relief prints. These include cardboard, plaster, clay. Material for the printing surface is important because different materials give different effects. With some materials, very fine detail can be produced, while others give a softer, less distinct effect. A traditional carving material for making this type of print is wood. High and low areas can be made by pounding, grinding, cutting, and burning. A third way of producing relief is by adding material. The shapes used here are cut from rubber inner tubes. As in other types of relief printmaking, only the highest parts of the block touch the paper. Several copies of prints can be made from the same printing surface with different colors of paint and paper. Many materials can be used for raised relief printing, such as cork, acrylic modeling paste, cardboard, and textured plastic. Most prints from these materials have large, broad shapes. However, other materials, for example, certain kinds of glue, can provide shapes and lines of varied thickness. When the glue hardens, the surface can be inked and prints made. Finally, to make monoprints, the paint is applied first to a flat surface, usually to a plate of glass. Designs can then be drawn directly into the paint. By simply pressing a piece of paper against the glass, a monoprint is produced. The first monoprint, while still wet, may be used to make other prints. The painted glass can be covered with the printing paper, and the picture then drawn on the paper. Dark lines will appear wherever we press down with the pencil or other tool. We have seen relief prints made in many ways: by pressing with ordinary objects, by carving into material, by building up raised surfaces, and by drawing directly into paint or ink. Whether you use just one technique and one material, or many techniques and many materials, relief printmaking allows you to make an endless variety of prints. Relief printmaking can be an adventure in visualizing and expressing your ideas and emotions.